Hi guys, to start downloading the Creative Cloud Manager, you just have to click on the link that I sent you by mail and that I also posted in our Google Classroom. This link will take you automatically to download the installer of the Creative Cloud Manager. Once that happens, you just click the file that just downloaded. Then double click on this red box of the Creative Cloud installer, click open anyway, and make sure to put the password you use to access your computer, okay? Once that happens, this progress window opens and it takes about 2 minutes to complete the installation of the Creative Cloud Manager. Okay, so once it's done, the Creative Cloud Manager automatically opens, and now it's time for us to create an account of Adobe if we don't have one, okay? So this screen will appear, and make sure you join with or continue with Google and to use the school email account, okay? It's very, very important that you do this. So you will type that your information and the password, again, that you use to access our school mail, okay? Follow the steps. Once it takes you to the last screen, it will ask you for your personal information, like your birth date, and a recovery mail and all that. Now, once you're all set, it will take you back again. The steps are very simple. The process is super, super easy. It takes you back to the Creative Cloud Manager space. Now, before we download Illustrator, it's very important to change the language. So in the upper right corner, you have this gear, and it will take you to the settings menu, okay? Go to the apps on the left, and on the default language, choose English North America. This step is crucial because if you do not do this before installing your software, it takes more steps to change it from Spanish to English, and sometimes these changes do not take effect immediately, okay? So it's very, very important to set the language before you download the software. Now, on the left menu, you have the All Apps and the Updates menu. On the top, you have Desktop, Mobile, and Web. Those are the apps that Adobe has available for us. We're going to make sure to click in Desktop and find the Adobe Illustrator program. We're just going to click on Try. We're going to wait for these different windows to appear. And again, the steps are very simple to follow. We just click on Next. And this is it. Once it's done, the Try Now button changes to blue. In my case, the trial already expired, but in your case, the Buy Now button should say Try Now. Remember that when you click on that Try Now button, you have 7 days to try the software before you buy it, okay? So it's very important that you know exactly when you start using the software so you can do the activities. And that's how you use the Creative Cloud Manager to download Adobe apps, okay?